Plant gardening offers a world of possibilities for cultivating a variety of fruit trees right in your own backyard. One exciting endeavor is propagating lemon trees, a citrus favorite cherished for its zesty fruits. To propagate a lemon tree, one can employ several methods, with the most common being grafting or using seeds. Grafting involves attaching a lemon tree cutting, known as a scion, to a rootstock, allowing for quicker fruit production. Alternatively, growing lemon trees from seeds is a cost-effective option, albeit with a longer time frame before the tree bears fruit. Another remarkable addition to your home garden is the mango tree, renowned for its delectable and juicy fruits. When it comes to growing mango trees, an exceptional method is the bagging technique, where a paper bag is placed over a developing mango on the tree. This method prevents insects and disease from affecting the fruit, ensuring a blemish-free harvest. Furthermore, mango trees thrive in warm, tropical climates, so selecting an ideal location with adequate sunlight and well-draining soil is crucial for the growth and fruit production. For a unique twist on gardening, consider combining different fruit trees in a single space. A fascinating example is growing lemons alongside banana plants. While it may seem unconventional, this method can be achieved with careful planning. The lemon tree's height can provide shade to the banana plants, creating a microclimate that benefits both species. Lemons require full sun, well-drained soil, and protection from frost, while bananas thrive in a warm, humid environment. By adjusting the planting locations and providing the necessary care, you can successfully cultivate lemons and bananas together, creating a visually striking and fruitful garden. In conclusion, plant gardening opens up a world of possibilities for growing fruit trees like lemons and mangoes, each with its unique propagation and care methods. Additionally, experimenting with unconventional combinations like lemon and banana trees can yield a diverse and flourishing garden that not only provides delicious fruits but also showcases the beauty of nature's diversity. With the right knowledge and care, you can turn your backyard into a thriving orchard of your favorite fruit trees.